Hello, my name is Shreya Kapse from BMC Truesight Server Automation team. In this video, I will walk you through the steps involved in using an include-exclude list in a Windows patch analysis job. Before we proceed, let's see what can be added in an include-exclude list. You can add a single or multiple hotfixes, bulletins, or a patch catalog smart group to the include-exclude list. Let's begin with how to create a patch catalog smart group based on various conditions. Go to the patch catalog in Depot, right click, New, Patch Catalog Smart Group, provide a name and a condition like any hotfix where name contains or equals the name of the patch, and one more condition or rule which is always recommended to keep is any hotfixes where software patch status flag does not start with 1. This means that the patch is not marked as irrelevant. Click Next and Finish. If we check in the irrelevant smart group provided out of the box, the condition is software patch status flag equals 1, which means that any patch bulletin that has this property as 1 is marked as irrelevant. I have already created a smart group wherein the hotfix where the name contains 2769709 and the software patch status flag does not equals to 1. If you expand the patch catalog smart group, you can see the hotfixes where the name contains this number is displayed in this smart group. The conditions of the patch catalog smart group may vary as per the use case. Now let's proceed with how to use this in an include-exclude list. Go to the Jobs folder, right-click, New, Patching Jobs, Windows Patching Job, provide a name, specify a catalog, click Next. Here, as you can see, there are two options provided for analysis, group and list. In the group option, you can only exclude a particular smart group. For example, hotfix or patch catalog smart group customized. You can just exclude these and not include. Whereas the list option allows us to include or exclude the groups. For example, we can include or exclude the groups. Click OK, and the particular group will be included in the analysis job. If you want to remove this group, then just click on the group name and click on the cross. Click on Finish, and your patch analysis job having the include or exclude list will be ready. You can open the job, go to the analysis option and validate the details. So this is how you can use an include exclude list in the Windows patch analysis job. Thank you for watching.